fuck is that smell?
Oh my goodness.
Y'all smell that? Woo!
What the fuck? God damn, that shit stinks in Jesus' name. Lord help us.
Go. Go. Huh? Go in the snow.
So who I'm with today?
Will Mason.
UPS worker looking at nigga. So the question of the day is, would you have a daughter or a gay son?
Yeah, look. Just tell me how it smells. No, smell right here. How does it smell?
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?
What the fuck? Come on, fuck. No nasty. Girl, don't you never do that shit.